Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use eSIM in your Galaxy Watch. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch is paired with your smartphone. Then, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. From there, you'll need to navigate to the Watch Settings menu. This is the starting point for setting up your cellular plan and getting your watch connected independently. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to begin. Next, within the watch settings, select Mobile Networks or Cellular Plans. Here, you'll choose Add New Plan or Use Code. Your carrier will provide a QR code or activation details. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to scan the code or input the information. This step links your watch to your existing mobile plan, allowing it to function independently from your phone. After entering your plan details, you'll need to confirm them and accept any terms and conditions from your carrier. The activation process typically takes a few minutes to complete. During this time, your watch will be communicating with your network. Once successfully activated, your Galaxy Watch will display a signal indicator, confirming its independent cellular connection. You're almost ready to go. With your eSIM activated, you can now enjoy the full benefits of a connected Galaxy Watch. You can make and receive calls directly from your wrist, even if your phone is at home. Sending and receiving text messages is also seamless. Plus, you can stream music, use navigation, and access various apps independently, giving you true freedom and convenience throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.